Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about EG Innovations, a comprehensive universal performance management suite for your Citrix infrastructures. And I am Bala Vaidyanathan, CTO at EG Innovations. We've been partners with Citrix for 15 years and it's been a great partnership for our customers. Without much further ado, I'm going to take you into user experience is everything. I don't think anybody is going to disagree with me on this. And essentially what we have done here is to bring everybody on the same page. We've distilled the user experience into availability, latency, and performance metrics so everybody can get on the same page. So when a user calls your help desk, your help desk can pretty much bring up a screen that gives them comprehensive view into what is going on within a particular user session. Whether it's a Zen desktop user or Zen app user, they get visibility into that session pretty quickly. They can see how frequently they've logged on, what is their current latency, what is the CPU consumption, what are the top applications they're using by CPU, memory. So they get immediate insight into what is happening within a user session. And moreover, this can actually be given to the end user themselves, so not just the help desk. So this will help your help desk, and for some customers, this can be directly given to the end users. So end users' problems that happen most of the times can be quickly resolved by taking a look at this. Now let's take a look at the other spectrum of the problem. Performance management typically today. Now when we look at Citrix and typical NTR architectures today, it involves a lot of different applications and components. So that means essentially people are going from one tool to the other, and that is the format today. And that is the biggest challenge today. They have to look at too many tools, too many graphs. Now how do you make this better? We call it universal insight. Citrix is not a server. Citrix is not an app. Citrix is a service. It involves multiple different applications working together as a service to be delivered to the end user. So you're not only looking at just Citrix, but the entire ecosystem, and you have to manage the entire ecosystem. That's what we do, and that's what gives us the ability to do what I'm going to show you next. When there is a problem, instead of you jumping into 5 different screens, here you see a correlated view of all the issues that are happening in an infrastructure. You can see things that have low priority issues, the one that show I, and then medium priority issues and critical issue. What we have seen here is an issue causing multiple other effects and EG correlating that into cost versus effects. And quickly you get the information you need to address your users' problems, and more importantly, address it before it starts impacting them. So this is for the entire infrastructure, and you can see how this works here. You can see we are not just looking at Citrix Zen app, we're looking at everything that needs to work together to deliver a workspace service, a Zen app service, a Zen desktop service. You can see the different applications connected with each other and their health metrics. So essentially we are taking into effect the complete, taking into account the complete service and looking at the performance of it end to end. So that gives us the ability to drill down, find issues such as this, where we are drilling down into Zen Mobile MDM, trying to see a problem with Citrix Storage Zone and Zen Mobile MDM, and we can see that they're running on an ESX host that has bigger problems. So that's the level of drill down you can get to, that's the level of insight you can get to when you really do the universal insight. And just a quick 30 seconds on our approach. Now you will see a lot of different solutions out there trying to do one of this or the other, but in true performance management, if you really need to truly understand the user experience and deliver on performance management, you need to be doing infrastructure, service performance, and end user experience, and be able to combine metrics across the board, be able to analyze metrics across the board. So that gives us the ability to do user experience management, as I showed you, the dashboards, total performance visibility, and more importantly, preemptively fix problems before they start impacting end users. And if you have EG, this is what you can effectively do. Boost user satisfaction and productivity, reduce IT support costs, improve your infrastructure ROI, and of course, free up time for your folks to deliver projects on time. To know more, check us out on Citrix Ready. That's it from us for now.